Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at YouTube Studio and what you can do with it. But just before we continue, please go and subscribe to my channel. I make live streams for 24/7. I host most live streams for 24/7, as you can see here. There's going to be more than one coming out very soon. If you go to your videos, you can see most of the past live streams there. 4 hours, 2 hours and 1 hour. And then there's this one that's going on for more than a day now. But that's not all we're here to do. So you can go to your YouTube Studio by clicking on your icon in the top right. It may not even have a link. You can press YouTube Studio, or you can click on your channel and come here and click YouTube Studio there. Or you can just type in studio.youtube.com and it will take you to the same place. So if you've never uploaded a video before, yours will be different to this. I have mine all put where I want it to be. So whenever I come on here, my latest uploads here, and video analytics. But we're going to get onto this. So if you've uploaded your first video and you want to see how many people have liked it or views, what you want to do is you want to go down to your videos, and all your videos will be listed here. This is one of my videos here, which was uploaded on the 27th of January, which is quite a long time ago now. Got a copyright claim. It also tells you here all the restrictions. Now I have many copyright claims on my channel. As you can see, there's one here, and there's loads here. But if you want to, for example, this video, like if you don't want people to, if this does say private, what you do is you want to click on this. You want to click save or publish, and you want to click public and publish. That means your video will be able to be seen to the public, and there is unlisted. Public, set in the Premiere, publish, and now that's going to be live on the channel. We don't actually want to do that because it's a video for people I don't want to see. So here it also tells you all the comments. If you want to see your comments, you can go hover over video and go to comments. It will then take you to your comments so you can see all your comments. Now I don't actually want to see the comments on that video. I see 5 comments here. If you click on that one, comments, it then tell you. See that this could be a bot, but I'm not gonna. I might look it up after this video anyway. I haven't responded to any of these comments. If you want to respond, just click reply and say thanks or something and reply. If you do filter for comments I haven't subscribed to, held a review and likely spam, then they'll all get put into there as well. So anyway, we're going to move on to our playlists. Playlist actually brings up a brand new thing for you. Tells you all the playlists you have. I do quite a lot of stuff without these people knowing. You can also create a new playlist as well. Anyway, back to Studio. You can go to your analytics, whatever you want to call it. And here it tells you your channel. See, look, 705 views in the last 28 days. So here, as you can see, I've got 2 subscribers today. Well, not today, but I got 2 on Sunday, on the 1st of March, and then I got 1 today. 1 yesterday, sorry. And there you go, and it tells you how many subscribers in that. There is an advanced mode as well. I've never used advanced mode, but as you can see, it's quite a big, it's quite a lot of good stuff there. So channel comments. These are all the comments I have not subscribed to. I mean, I have not replied to. So, as you can see, hey dude, can you help me build my game? Since I'm the only developer I'm struggling, I'm kind of bad as well, so like, if you could help me by any chance, please contact me. So, I like that comment, so I will copy his name and I will add him on Discord. And then I'm going to reply to that, and then that will then disappear from this because I've now responded to it. So yeah, so on subtitles page we have basically all the different yeah. I didn't publish this, but okay. Yeah, anyway, so it tells you all of the subtitles and that for each video. I only really do, like, I don't do subtitles normally. But anyway, monetization. I haven't actually got this yet. But if you're like a big channel that has a load of subscribers, so 1,000 subscribers on the YouTube partner platform, this is where you can put ads on your videos and so on. Now we have the audio library. This audio library, you can get your own songs for free, so you can listen.
Bobby, there's no controller here.
Oh yeah.
Music.
So yeah, guys, that's the song right there. And we, yeah, so that's the audio library, and then we also have settings, general, so you can change your currency. On your channel, you can, your name you can change somewhere else. Country, customize channel, advanced settings.
Are you sure this one's dead as well?
No, set this channel as not made for kids, and so on. So, and then we have the branding, which I did in the video before this one, and feature eligibility. Here it is, default features, and it tells you all here about all the features that are available to you. Features that require phone verification, and so on. So all of the list of all the features and that can be found by going to youtube.com/features. I'm not verified, I don't know what it says I am, but I'm not. I have 0 out of 3 copyright strikes and 0 out of 3 community guideline strikes. And here it shows all the things you can do. I'm actually I'm not eligible to do this, so because I'm eligible, but I'm not. We have upload defaults, so this is basically the title and so on, and advanced settings as well. I don't normally edit any of this, but permissions, so you can invite people to come and edit your channel and upload. So like I can invite, for example, for YouTube, we can go to here, to my channel, and we'll click on Infinite Gamer TV, which is one of my other channels which you need to subscribe to, and click email here, and access is going to be that one. Manager, enter an email address. I don't know the email address, so switch account. It is alright. So sorry to keep you guys waiting, but I just want to show you all the features that gmail.com, and then just press done. And there you go, I've now got myself my own manager, and just click save, and that will be saved as that. It's just saving. And there is community, so here is where you can add all of your channel moderators. So you could, these users can remove comments and put people on timeout as well. So I have quite a lot of people. I have Nightbot, which is just like a bot thing that stops anti-spam. Add approved users, add hidden users, so ones that are blocked from the thing, and that. And then defaults is allow all comments on your new videos on the discussion tab, and hold potentially inappropriate chat messages for review. So all of that is what I use anyway. You can also send feedback to that, and there is the Creator Studio. So this is the this is the older Creator Studio, which no longer is used, but you can still use it. But yeah, I've done 294 videos. It'll be 296, 295 by the time I upload this video, and 296 after I upload this video. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please go subscribe to my channel. All help is appreciated, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.